Hello, my name is Tatenda, and I'm one of the newly elected board members of Kutandara Center Moon and Stars Foundation here in Boulder, Colorado. And I'm here today to share a little bit about why I got involved and hopefully that will inspire you to get involved as well. So 5 years ago, when I moved from China, I instantly fell in love with Kutandara, with the work that they're doing in the world, the good and amazing stuff with Zimbabwean music, culture, the food, and the people from Zimbabwe. It literally felt like home, and also home in the sense that everybody at Kutandara welcomes you with love, joy, and you instantly feel a sense of belonging. And that is exactly what I wanted when I moved here 5 years ago, which I'd hoped to somehow find somewhere in the United States. And there it was at Kutandara Center. And I remember telling Amy and Randy that I really wanted to be part of this good work that they were doing with the music from Zimbabwe. And it has been awesome. It has been so much joy for me to know that I have a place that I can go and I can just be me, and I can just feel filled with so much love and so much happiness, sharing the music from my country, and with people who love and who have a great appreciation of the culture and the language, and who wants to try a dish from Zimbabwe. So it's been a pleasure, and I hope that if you're looking for a place where you want to feel connected, where you want to feel a sense of joy through music, and being with others in a community that values togetherness and a great appreciation of music, Kutandara Center is the center for you. And I hope you will consider to be part of this amazing organization doing so much with the music from Zimbabwe, and bringing people from Zimbabwe who have been learning and teaching music and who love to share that with the rest of the world. So hope to see you, and thank you so much for your time.